Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to explore an essential concept in mathematics that plays a vital role in modern finance: bonds. Bonds are used extensively in finance, investing, and economic development. Understanding bonds and their underlying is crucial for making informed decisions and navigating the complexities of modern finance. Now join us on this exploration of bonds and mathematics.
Hey guys, do you remember the stocks and bonds? Yeah, I do remember the word but not exactly the lesson. Yes, and it is also tackled in our senior high school days. Stocks and bonds. Stocks is a form of equity financing or raising money by allowing investors to be part of owners of the company. While bonds are a form of debt financing or raising money by borrowing from investors.
Teacher give us assignment, right?
Here, we will gonna answer this. Suppose that a bond has a face value of 100,000 and its maturity date is 10 years from now. The coupon rate is 5% payable semi-annually. Find the fair price of this bond assuming that the annual market rate is 4%.
Wait, what is coupon? Okay, wait. Here is the definition of terms in relation to bonds. Bond interest bearing security which promises to pay first, the stated amount of money on the maturity date, and two, regular interest payments called coupon. Periodic interest payments that the bondholder receives during the time between purchase date and maturity date, usually received semi-annually.
All friends of the bride.
Coupon. Rate the rate per coupon. Payment period denoted by R. Price of a bond. The price of the bond at purchase time denoted by P par value or face value, the amount payable of the maturity date denoted by F.
Equals F, the bond is purchased at par. If P less than F, the bond is purchased at a discount. If P greater than F, the bond is purchased at the premium.
Here, we will gonna answer this. Suppose that a bond has a face value of 100,000 and its maturity date is 10 years from now. The coupon rate is 5% payable semi-annually. Find the fair price of this bond assuming that the annual market rate is 4%.
Given, or the coupon rate is 5%, which is payable semi-annually, and the amount of the face value is 100,000 pesos. The time of maturity is 10 years. The number of period is 20. Why? Since payable for semi-annually and then for 10 years, so total times 10, that is 20 period.
And the market rate equals 4%, amount of semi-annual coupon equals 100,000, open parenthesis 5, is close parenthesis equals 2,500. The bondholder received 20 payments of 2,500 pesos each, and the 100,000 pesos at T equals 10.
The present value calculation of 100,000 in the bond pricing formula accounts for bond maturing in 10 years. To determine its current worth, we use formula P equals F over 1 plus I raised to N, where F is 100,000, I is 4% or 0.04, and N is 10 years. Applying the formula 1.04 raised to 10, divide 100,000 by the result equals 67,556.42. This means 100,000 received in 10 years is worth 67,556.42 today's, considering the 4% market rate.
Present value of 20 payments of 2,500 each. 1 plus 0.04 raised to 1/2 divided by 1 minus 1 is equals to 0.0198039.
To solve this problem, we can use this formula. 1 minus 1 times I raised to the negative n divided by I. So we have 2,500. 1 times minus 1 plus to the value of I raised to the value of n, which is the negative 20, divided by to the value of I. So we have 40,956.05. To solve the present value of 20 payments, we need to add the two. 67,556.42 plus 40,956.05 is equals to 108,512.47.